Here at Sewing Machines UK, we are so proud to show off the Bernina Q16 long arm quilting machine. It has got a huge throat space, huge work area, completely free motion. So you can see here you've got your free motion foot, which allows you to do sort of amazing free motion quilting. And you've got the Bernina stitch regulator, the BSR, all built in. So that enables you to obviously get really brilliant and precise results. We are so pleased that we've got it in our showroom now. It's available to view here. You can come and try it. The area here is all lit up by the LED lighting, which is stunningly beautiful, as you can see. It's very quiet, it's very fast, it's very quick, and we're pleased to know you can slow it down, so you don't have to go full throttle all the time. It's got a nice needle threader, so you've still got your sort of Bernina real domestic features, so that automatic threader there, which is really nice, really clear screen. You can see on here, here's the home screen. There's all your sort of points here. This is the point of sewing. And then if we flick through, you've got all your different options. This here is brilliant, so you can create profiles. So if this was put into a business setup, you can have all your different people and you can set it up to your specifications, which is really nice. This is the the bobbin. So what you can do is you can tell the machine how much bobbin fill is on the bobbin, and then it will, as you sew, it will then gradually work it down, so then it will alert you to how much you've got left. So for example, on this one we've got 84 yards left at 84%, so that's a really nice feature. Click X on that. So we've got all of like your BSR 1, BSR 2, BSR 3. This one here is actually a basting stitch, so that's really good for quilting. And what we'll do is, okay, so we're going to do the basting stitch, but I'm going to turn the lights off just to get the full effect of the LED lights. Also, it will make the video look a bit better. So as you can see, it's super bright. Now we're going to do the basting stitch, which is basically a longer stitch used in quilting, as it's easy to unpick. As you can see, it's so easy to use, and it's because we've slowed it down, it's really nice. You can control it, you're completely in control of the machine. Now we're going to do some free motion. Well, we're going to try to. We go to this one. We'll give it a go. As you can see, you can go really quickly as well, which is good. And that Bernina stitch regulator really helps you. Like me, and you've not had a massive amount of experience with free motion quilting, you might be a little bit scared of it, the Bernina stitch regulator will help you to learn that. So as you are practicing, and even for experienced free motion quilters, you will notice just how easy it is to get really creative. It's like you're sort of painting on a picture with thread. that's my attempt of my name. Table is obviously really good because it's got so much space. It's also really nice quality. Adjustable height as well, you can adjust it. You've got these really sort of strong, sturdy legs here as well. Having obviously the machine here makes it really easy to and really simple to just come in here and get to your bobbin case. So that's nice. All of your features are sort of here. It is only 9 inches wide when you collapse it all down completely. The fabrics glide over the smoothness of the table as well, so that's really, really nice. Your foot control, loads of accessories in here as well, bobbins, oil, all of your little extra bits, tools, extra screws, needles as well. It takes domestic needles. That's all in there for you. These are great manuals. Again, the Bernina manual is so good, so useful, all in colour as well. So it really talks you through it all. There's all your accessory manual and your table manual as well. That's all there. Bobbins, etc. We hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to come and try the machine, then yes, we'd love to see you in our new showroom. Get in contact with us, give us an email, have a look at the machine online as well at sewingmachinesuk.co.uk. Thank you for watching.